Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I have a design team unboxing. So this is from Buttons Galore and More. Bless you. And I am going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up this round. I am scared because I felt like I heard a lot of things shifting around in here, so something might have opened. But let me go ahead and try to get all these out here. So the black did open up a little bit. I'm going to leave all this in the box, but this did get smashed. So I'll empty that out later. But let me go ahead and quickly go through here what I picked up this time. So first things first is the button basics, and this is the licorice. These are actually really worth getting. They are $6.99. This big old thing right here is $6.99. So these are definitely worth it if you guys like to use buttons on your projects. So I picked up the black set, which is called Licorice, and then the red set, which is Red Hot. Just so I have some buttons to make some Mickey Mouse heads, because I'm trying to work on a, well, I haven't worked on it yet, but I want to work on a Minnie Mouse album, and I thought these would be really cute to make some Mickey heads. So I picked up those two there. And then I also picked up a pink set, and you guys, this pink set is actually really cute. It's like a really bright bubblegum pink set. This one is called Blush. I'm really glad I picked this one up. If you guys want to try adding buttons to your projects and you guys work with pink a lot, definitely grab this set. I was not expecting it to be this pretty. I am so glad I picked this up. I don't really use buttons in my projects, but lately I have been, since I am back on the design team for them. And yeah, these button packs are totally worth it. And this is their gift to me, which is a little like sequin mix or confetti mix of some silver balloons and blue mini sequins and some stars. Thank you for that. Okay, and then I also grabbed this set right here, which is called Frost. It's a really pretty light blue set. Still working with Maggie Holmes' garden party, so I thought that these would work well with some projects. So I picked this set up. You guys can see a bunch of different shades of light blue. And then I also picked up this new Christmas button basic set, and it has pinks and mint colors, and then it also has some red and white as well. So you guys can see those. Really pretty. And again, all of these are $6.99. That Frost one, sorry, I'm just gonna look through here, I don't remember, is $5.49 for this one. And then I also got some of their Sequin Tin. I got the blush. I've been using this like crazy, so I bought more. I picked up more of the blush. And then this one right here is called North Star, which is a white. Oh, okay, is trying to get out. Probably gonna have to grab him. 1 second. Okay, so yeah, this one is called. Did I say what it was? North Star, and it has literally just really pretty like satin white sequins and clear stars. And then of course you can just mix that in with any mix since it's white. And these tin, yeah, so these tin, this tin right here is $4.99. Okay, and then I grabbed some of their bag sequins because you guys, these are $2.99 each. And so I picked up this blue set, which is called Winter Pine, and it just has like this really pretty, like, I don't even know how to explain how it looks, but it's kind of like a turquoise color and then some blue in there. I definitely recommend this. I was not expecting it to look this pretty. I don't really work with blues, so seeing how pretty this is, I recommend it to have in your stash. I picked up another Sunshine, which I've shared before. And then this one right here is called Metal. And these have little gears in them. I didn't know they had gears, but I got it mainly for the gold. This is the Night which is just a black set, and it has some iridescent stars in there. And this one is called Valentine. I got it mainly because it's red and white. So those are the bag sequins. And then here I also grabbed these. So grab these, take these out of the bag real fast. Sorry for all the crinkling. They organized it so nicely. Okay. So I picked these up. These are the Sparklett Stars, Crystal Stars. I've picked these up before, but if you guys have not grabbed them, I definitely recommend these, especially if you do 4th of July projects. Really pretty. So I got those. And then I didn't know they had brads, so I was really excited to see they had brads. I got these glitter star brads, and you guys, they come with pink, green, yellow, and purple. They definitely are really pretty, and they're a great size too. They're not too small. Perfect for making tags and little flaps in like scrapbook pages and journaling pages. Okay, and then I did also grab more of the flowers. So I picked up the hibiscus because this is a really pretty pink set, as well as this. These are the flower, the flower buttons. And they are called Flower Power Collection. And this is Buttercup and Hibiscus. I already have these two, but I've been using them a lot, and I really, really love working with them. I will have some project shares and projects posted with them. I actually have a camera that I posted of it, and I use some of these on there. So there's that. And then I also grabbed some sprinklets. I got the ink blot, which I've shared before. This is just a black and white set, which I've shared before in another haul. And then I also got Very Cherry because, like I said, I needed some red, and I don't have this, so I was really glad that I saw it. But it's just, okay, sorry about that. But yeah, so this is a red clay set. The sprinklets are basically like clay sprinkles. So there's the red and the black. Thought these would be cute also for Disney stuff. So I got that. And then I also grabbed a Star Spangled Sprinklet set. They have a couple of variety sprinklets for 4th of July, but I thought that this one was really cute. I love the stars in this one. So I did grab that as well. And then I got more jewels, and I got them in the white AB because these shine so nicely. You can use these in shakers. You can use them to decorate your projects on the outer edges of like cards and stuff, like in the corners. I love to do that with these jewels, and they come with different sizes too, so you can use them for a lot of things. So I grabbed the white AB because it's one of my favorite ones that aren't colored. This one really does give your project some nice shine. And then the last baggie has some more good stuff. Okay, so more buttons. I got more of the Flower Power buttons, and this one right here is called, come on, oh, it's in the back, Cornflower, which is a blue, and then there's a red set called Poppy. I don't have these two. Okay, and then I got some red buttons, which are called Ruby Slippers, and these are the Sugar Shop glitter buttons. I love these buttons because they have the glitter all over them. I love the sizes. So pretty. I keep saying that, but you guys, I love receiving boxes with all of these goodies because y'all know I love sequins and all these things. So another one of the buttons are the black and white ones from the Flower Power collection. Thought I'd try these ones out. This one's called Boutonniere. I think I said that right. I don't think I did. I don't know. Okay, and then the last three things are some sparklets. Oh no, so some crystals. I have cherry, blueberry, and mango. All fruits. So cherry is this red, like AB. Blueberry is this really pretty blue AB. And then mango is a dark yellow AB. AB has like that iridescent shine on them. I think you can tell on these two especially. It has like that rainbow shine on there. And sorry, Akai's playing with something on the floor, so he's on his mat, but you know, he's like on his belly, so there are those. And if it seems like I'm going quick, it's because I got my cousin and my sister here. They are coming from the store. We all got our nails done and they went to go to the store. So I'm working on getting this done before they get here, or else it'll be loud. And then the last thing I got is Coral Coast, which is a Sparklett. And if you guys have not grabbed this yet, I definitely recommend it. It has a bunch of really pretty, like transparent pink sequins. And then it also comes with like these halfback pearls in gold, some rhinestones in pink, like jewels. And then it also comes with clear, like white. And then these little like dewdrop type things, which are like water droplets. I love using those. So I do recommend this one as well. So if you guys would like to save some coin, I do have a $10 off your purchase referral code. So all you do is just click on the link down below and it'll take you over to the website, and then you get $10 off your order. So if you guys would like $10 off of your order that you place, then you can definitely use that code. It's just a link. I don't have like an actual code. It's a link. Sorry, it's a referral link. I keep saying code because I'm used to a code. But yeah, it's a referral link. So you guys can go ahead and use that so that you guys can save some money. Everything here is such great quality and such a great price. I do recommend checking them out. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing all the stuff that I picked up this time around. I can't wait to show you guys what I create with them. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!